AI stocks like Nvidia are turning everyday people into millionaires overnight. Meme stocks like GameStop are exploding. And who could forget the crypto boom of 2017 when Bitcoin minted a new wave of millionaires? Yes, those investments seem cool, but there's something bigger at play. An investment that is currently beating Nvidia, GameStop, and Bitcoin. The next massive wealth explosion is already here. It's not in stocks, it's not in meme coins, and it's definitely not in traditional cryptocurrencies you're used to hearing about. This time, it's something different. The billionaires are quietly moving their money into this emerging space right now. And the best part? You can potentially experience those early adopter gains everyone loves. Just stick with me for the next few moments, and I won't just show you what this investment is, I'll give you a step-by-step roadmap to getting in on the #1 investment opportunity for 2025 and beyond. If you play your cards right, this could be your chance to get in before it's too late. Hey friends, it's the DeFi Doctor here, Head of Education at Decentralized Masters. Over the last few years, I've had the privilege of guiding over 3,000 investors. Investors with a combined net worth of over $4 billion through the rapidly evolving world of decentralized finance. Our team of more than 100 top-tier analysts and researchers eat, sleep, and breathe this space. So here's what we've been seeing lately. The #1 investment for 2025 slowly emerging. Now opportunities like this don't stay under the radar for too long. You've got to act fast to position yourself before the floodgates open. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why this could be the game changer for your nest egg. Now, before we get into this investment, let's take a quick trip down memory lane and set the scene of what's really going on here. Nvidia's stock shot up by over 230% in 2023, thanks to the AI boom. Meme stocks like GameStop skyrocketed by over 1,500% in just a few weeks. And then there's Bitcoin, which in 2017 jumped from under $1,000 to nearly $20,000 in less than 1 year. These were massive opportunities, but they came and they went fast, leaving many investors in the dust. But what about the supposedly #1 investment strategy? Well, it's a strategy that taps into the deepest, most lucrative channels of the financial system without ever depending on the volatility of stocks or crypto, timing the market, or even the state of the economy. Now, most people think they've seen it all: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, even precious metals. But none come even close to the explosive potential of what's quietly gathering momentum right now. We're talking about a potential new financial system in the US being created off the backbone of this industry. And it's not just retail investors who are jumping in. It's world-renowned institutions and the wealthiest people on the planet who are making their move silently without fanfare, which means you should be paying attention. Like Fidelity, already managing over $4 trillion in assets and now quietly expanding into this space. Like Apple, no longer just a tech giant, but now potentially a player in the new financial revolution, possibly leveraging this industry in ways the media won't tell you about. Even the Central Bank of Singapore, widely regarded as one of the most prestigious financial hubs in the world, has now already taken steps to integrate this new financial technology into their systems. But why? Why are these powerhouses pivoting so quickly? Because they understand something the average investor does not.